Sorry guys, messy. But since it's a good recipe, I wanted to share with you. Have 5 kids. 1 here, 1 there. Those are the fraternal twins. 3 more outside playing with their blade boards and skateboards. In the dark. It's quite dark. It's 7 p.m. But anyway, so I just wanted to share with you a recipe. This today I just out of a sudden felt like naan bread. So we googled some naan bread with those little guys here. Sorry, this guy just woke up from a nap. Look at what happened here. They're small. They're really small. And this is the cheese one I made. And this is the one with the chocolate chip inside. You cannot really see it because I made them really small and thick instead of like long and big. And I didn't need them with the what do you call it? I didn't need them with the wooden bar that you have to. I didn't do that. I just did it by hand because busy, so busy. So we had it with we had some salsa. I know it's very Mexican / Indian. We had avocado, we had tomato, we had cucumber, we had chicken with taco seasoning, and those naan breads. And this is the mess of the babies, of course. But we ended up really liking them, so I'm gonna make it again. And of course, you make more and more and more, you get better and better. But here's the recipes right here. So I'm just gonna just tell you guys, it's really really yummy, right? Are you okay? Let's do it. So you need 1 teaspoon of sugar, just 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a cup of warm water that you mix together with the sugar and with the dry yeast. So you need sugar, 1 teaspoon, half a cup of warm water, and you need 2 teaspoons and a quarter of dry yeast. Here in Japan, they're just like little packages in a box, and I think there are 5 packages or 6 packages in a box. So one of those packages I open. Sorry, you're heavy, Manisiak. Okay. And so you mix the sugar and the warm water and the yeast together, and you let them sit for like 10 minutes. I actually use a timer and until the yeast starts working. And then what you do next is you pour you need flour, 2 1/4 cups of flour, half a cup of yogurt, plain yogurt of course, and 1/2 of teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. So those 4 ingredients you mix together. So you put the flour, you drop so 2 cups and 1/4 of flour. I think I put more though. I ended up adding more afterwards. It's up to you guys how you want it. It still got fluffy. Probably it was easier for me to work with it if it was not that runny. I thought like the warm water was a bit much, but anyways, you work it up. I think you need more than 2 1/4 cups of flour. Then half a cup of yogurt you pour on the top of the flour, and then you add the 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, and you mix all that together. Becomes like into little crumbs. You try to beat the yogurt, just mince the yogurt like everywhere, and then you when it looks like little crumbs everywhere, you add the sugar and the warm water and the yeast that is already active, and then you mix everything together well, and you put it in a box. I put it in a old ice cream box, like big family size box. I put it there, and you leave it for an hour. I left it for more than 1 hour. I made it at 3 o'clock, and now it started cooking at 6, so it's like 3 hours. But it was warm, and it was the sun was on one spot in one of the rooms in the house, so I just put it there, and it was covered too. So you put it cover it up in a warm place. I think in the winter will be somewhere around the stove or whatever warm place you have. It was saying in the recipe, that's like the first recipe that you see when you Google naan bread. That's the first recipe I got, and they say to pinch it into 8 pieces, 8 equal pieces. So I try it becomes really small. If you want it bigger, just make it like 4 pieces if you want like the big, like in the restaurants, like the big naan bread. But it makes 8 small ones, and maybe it's not gonna be small if you knit it. When I think about it, if you knit it and you don't put what I put in it, then it'll be okay if it's just plain. But we put cheese, shredded cheese in between, and chocolate chip, and it was great. The kids really liked it, so I'm gonna make more, and I'll try to make plain next time. And I'll try to, I made 2 doses though. With 1 dose I made 8 cheese and 8 chocolate chip, so it was great. It was really great. So yeah, I just wanted to share that, and it's good to eat with anything really. Like the chocolate chip is so good. The cheese one I liked with the salsa to dip it in it, and I think if I had like French fries on the side, it would be really nice. But avocado was great too. And yeah, so it is what it is. Homemade naan bread, small size, but very yummy and very fluffy. I think the yogurt makes the magic. It's really, really good. It does the magic, huh? All right, bye.